Hey, back with another quick tutorial. This one's going to be on lighting and mobility. If you want to copy what I'm doing, all of my other lights are just like this, except one of them's stationary and one of them's movable. So let's get started. So static is the first option. It's not going to light up movable actors, which is one downfall I'm going to tell you right from the beginning. It does look alright, except the shadows, they're really soft and they're not going to be as sharp as you'd expect them to be. Also, if you saw in the beginning, this light was completely white on its component, yet it lit this room up with this really orangey tint. This is just because of the bouncing, and you'll see later why this is important. Next up is stationary. Stationary gives you the sharp shadows that you want, and it even lights up my movable actor here, which is my gun. It's going to be a little more resource heavy than the static, and you can't move it. The next is movable. Movable is looking similar to the stationary, except obviously it's moving, and it's going to be a lot more resource heavy on your graphics or CPU, whatever you're running. So this one I would use very scarcely compared to the others. What I like to do is pair up a static and a stationary, so that way you can get that bouncing from your light and still light up your movable actors like my gun here. And since there's a gun on screen, you're welcome. Thank you for watching.